Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon. I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes. I welcome you all for the English online reading class, and today's topic is how to introduce three-letter words, especially consonant, vowel and consonant words to your little one. So once your child is thorough by joining the vowel as well as the consonants together like ab, ag, ad, if your child is ready to read like this, you can introduce CVC words. I have segregated this portion into three categories like introduction of alphabet, that's called the first level, and after that introduction of vowel and consonants and also joining the blends together, that's the second level, and today's topics and the CVC words, that is the third level. So in this level, this is the first portion which I will be joining the CVC words with vowel A, consonant, vowel and consonant. Now let me show you how to join a consonant along with some of these blends. Okay, so I'm going to use first ab, ab, then ad, add and ag. So ask your child to join together. Ab, ab, ab. Now I'm going to join a consonant along with this. K. Now separate it. K and ab together. K, ab, k, ab, cab. The same way again you can write the same. Ab, ask your child to repeat. Ab, now join another consonant. This is t, t, just underline it, t separately and ab together. T, ab, tab, tab. One more example. While introducing CVC words, you can give as many as words possible. And if possible, you can also show them the pictures of it so that they will learn more vocabulary. Now the next consonant is F. Underline it, F separately and ab together. Ab. Now together they should join. F, ab, f, ab, f, ab, fab. The same way, this is add, add. Let me join one consonant. It's d, d, add, d, add, d, add, dad. B and add, b, add, b, add, bad, bad, l, separate it and add together, l, add, lad. The third one is add words, add words, ag, join together. Now introduce one consonant right in front of it, b, ag, b, ag, bag, r, ag together, r separately, r, ag, rag. Clear? Now I'll show you some more blend sounds along with the consonants. The next vowel and consonant blends I'm going to use that am, and words. Now ask your child to join the letter together, vowel and the consonant together. Am, am. Now I'm going to join a consonant along with this. J, am. J, am. Jam. Again ask your child to read it. Am. Join a consonant. A d, am. D, am. The continuous practice makes them clear the concept of reading together. Okay, the same way next one is and words. And. Join together and. Now and. A consonant in front of it. M. The sound of your M. And. Man. P. And. Pan. Pan. W. And. Van. This is actually a simple and easy way to make your child read 3-letter words. And the next one, app. App. K. App. K. App. K. App. Cap. M. App. Map. T. App. Tap. You can introduce as many as words possible because that will help your child to understand the concept easily. Now I'll show you one more example, that's act. Okay, the last one is act words. Act. Together act. When you join along with act with a consonant b, act, bat. Now try k and act. K, act, cat. The next consonant is m and act. M, act, mat. Last week one of my UKG parent asked me that her child is reading these words, 3-letter words separately. That means the child is reading like m, a, t. She asked me, is it right or not? I would like to say it's correct because the learning style of each child differs each other. So if your child is reading separately and joining this word together, then it's okay, fine, you can. So that slowly they will join together and read the word as single, like mat, cat, bat. Now the next one is f and at. F, at, fat. Like this you can introduce as many as words possible. And I'm not going to include R, A and Y and A and W in this particular class because when you make 3-letter words using these consonant vowel, the sound changes. So once I complete the consonant vowel combination, CVC word combination with all the vowels, I'll be doing this separately. Hope this class will be a useful one for you to teach your little one. I'll see you all in the next class. CVC words using E vowel. Till that, take care. Bye bye.